Please welcome Yerins.
Full name is Yerimene Ibrahim. I'm a polymath. I have been me and I have tried to portray me the best way I can. I have so many words that I created. About love was a very, very complex word because it meant so many things. We have the love, we shall not escape it, when you put two housemates of different genders together. People will always find someone to cuddle up with at the end of the day. I feel I have people who have my back.
Crude oil. In my land.
I give her 2.5 million in gift card. Now, what's I give her? Baby, I got you. If you spend 2 to 5 years with someone, you will know if you want to spend the rest of your life with that person. I just have to have that mental preparation always. Thank you very much, big brother.